Once, in a small, worn-out neighborhood, there lived a woman named Amira. She had known sorrow early in life. Her husband had passed away many years ago, leaving her alone with a tiny baby girl named Layla. On the day Layla was born, her father's life was taken from her, leaving Amira with nothing but a newborn child and an aching heart. Amira had nothing, just a small apartment, peeling paint, and nights so cold she could barely feel her fingers. Yet, from that first day, she had one mission: to raise her daughter, to give her every chance she never had. She worked day and night. She often went hungry, slept on cold floors. But she never complained, because every sacrifice, every tear, every sleepless night was for Layla. And slowly, her little girl grew, bright, determined, dreaming bigger than their world could offer. Years passed. Layla studied day and night, won scholarships, and became a doctor. On the day she opened her first clinic, Amira sat quietly in the back, hands trembling, tears in her eyes. She whispered, "This is the life I wanted for you, my child." And Layla, seeing her mother, hugged her tightly. "I am because of you, Mom. Every step I took, you carried me." For a moment, life seemed perfect. But life can be cruel in ways no one expects. One evening, Amira received a call. Her heart skipped a beat. It was the hospital. Layla had been in a tragic accident. A car hit her as she walked home. Her world shattered in an instant. She arrived to see paramedics shaking their heads. Her daughter was gone. Amira collapsed. The room, the world itself, felt like it was crushing her. She whispered over and over, "No, no, my baby, my baby." Days turned into endless nights. She walked through the apartment alone, seeing Layla's scrubs, her books, her notes. Every corner whispered memories, every sound, a cruel echo of what she had lost. But even in her sorrow, Amira remembered. She remembered the first steps, first words, countless nights of sacrifice. She realized, though her daughter was gone, every tear, every sleepless night had mattered. Layla had made the world better even in her short time. And so, with a broken heart, Amira whispered into the quiet apartment, "I love you, Layla, forever." She carried on, not because she had to, but because her daughter's spirit had taught her that love never truly dies.